Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to disable sync in Windows 10 or 11 so your PC stops sharing settings with other devices. Let's jump right in. We're going to start off by clicking on the search bar and typing Control Panel. Go ahead and open it. In the View by section, click on the drop-down menu and select Large Icons. Next, select Sync Center. On the left side, click Manage Offline Files. Now select Disable Offline Files. It's a good idea to read the short description above before disabling it. Once you're ready, click OK. If you're asked to restart your PC for the changes to take effect, you can click Yes. But I'm going to click No for now because there's one more thing we need to do. Go to Network and Sharing Center. And select Change Advanced Sharing Settings from the left pane. Make sure that network discovery as well as file and printer sharing are both turned off. Expand the private network section too, and turn off network discovery there as well. This will stop syncing between other devices, which is generally a good idea if you want to prevent background network activity. So, turning off Sync Center was our first method, and this is just a supplemental method to make sure syncing is completely disabled. That's it. You've successfully disabled Windows Sync on your PC. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows tips.